What's up my YouTube family, and welcome back to the channel. On today, your girl is going to be making her very first blueberry infused sea moss gel, and I'm going to be making it two ways. That's right, two ways. So if y'all want to see what your girl is up to and how we're going to get these antioxidants into our body, plus all the benefits of blueberries for our health, stay tuned because we about to jump right into it right now. Alright? Okay, family, so a couple things that you're gonna need is a bowl. We don't need no bowl. Technically, all we need is sea moss. So I'm not making it from scratch. So this is what my sea moss is looking like. So if you watched my last video, then you know how I got this all whipped up. And it does not smell fishy at all. So anyway, we need some sea moss, we need some blueberries. These are my blueberries that I have soaking in water with vinegar and baking soda. So they're not organic, so I wanted to make sure that I got any preservatives off of the blueberries. And we're gonna be using some frozen blueberries. However, I will not be using frozen blueberries for my blueberry infused sea moss gel in the future. Just wanted to throw that out there, and I'm gonna tell you why later in the video. So make sure you stick around so you can find out why. Okay, so we're gonna take our Ninja blender. So I'm not technically gonna use anything out of this jar because I'm keeping this plain. I'm going to use some of the sea moss that I put in the freezer from last time.
So here is my frozen sea moss that I have been unthawing for a couple hours now. And I'm going to scoop this out with a spoon into the blender. I would say I'm only using about a cup of the sea moss because I don't want to make a lot of it, because I still have my other one in the fridge and these are typically good for 30 days. So now after I have my cup of sea moss, I'm going to strain my blueberries and rinse them off thoroughly to make sure I got the vinegar and anything that might have been in the water. So this is what my clean blueberries are looking like, and I'm just gonna pour those into the blender. And I wanted to show you that it was a cup of blueberries. So now that that's in the blender, we're going to add just a little water because I don't want to burn my motor out because it's not lubricated enough. So I just added a little bit of spring water, and now I'm about to throw this inside of the Ninja to blend up this concoction. After I get the blueberries nice and blended into the sea moss, I'm going to pour it into my mason jar, and just look at this beautiful color on the sea moss. The color is so vibrant, so inviting.
All right, so this is what we got. This is what we got right here, y'all. So I want to take a bite. Well, I want to sample it. I would say this: if you want your sea moss to be sweeter, then you could definitely put some agave in here, or you could blend some dates in with your sea moss gel.
Okay, so now we're gonna work on our second sea moss infused with blueberries, and we're gonna take the frozen blueberries and I'm gonna put these into a bowl because as I started to fill inside, I noticed there was so much ice in here. So I'm going to put a little bit of blueberries into the bowl. As you can see, it is hard as a rock, so your girl had to bang it a few times, but it's finally coming out. And I'm gonna just soak this to melt the ice, and then I'm gonna pour it into the blender. Next, I'm gonna take a couple scoops of the sea moss, and I would say it's about a half a cup roughly. and about a half a cup of blueberries. That's what I use for the second one. I didn't want to use too much because I don't want my sea moss to go to waste, because this is so healthy and so important for us to be intaking. I don't want to waste any of it. So let's get into these benefits. Okay guys, so the main reason why I said I wasn't going to move forward with using frozen blueberries is because it's not recommended based off a study. The study showed that it diminishes the potency of blueberries health benefits, so that's the reason why I didn't want to use frozen. And another thing is 1 cup of blueberries actually provides 24% of a person's recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. Next, blueberries also contain folate, which plays a major role in DNA repair, which can help prevent the formation of cancer cells. It can help improve a person's short-term memory and motor coordination, and it also helps to prevent constipation since it's high in fiber, which also increases the feeling of being full, and it reduces our appetite. And lastly, it helps decrease cardiovascular disease by removing bile and managing cholesterol.
Yeah, I think I like the fresh fruit better. Just saying. This is the final look for both. Fresh blueberries, frozen blueberries. Fresh blueberries, frozen blueberries. And fresh is better. Just saying. If you want to use frozen fruit, you definitely need some dates or some type of agave, because this right here don't got a lick of sweetness to it. I would not be using frozen blueberries anymore. It's not only watered down, but the blueberry taste isn't prevalent in this concoction. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the facts that I provided you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you did enjoy this content, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out the algorithm, and it helps out your girl's channel. And it helps push my content out to more people. And we want to keep building this community. So share this out with somebody else, because sharing is caring. And we need to get as many people informed about sea moss as much as possible. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see y'all back on the next video. Bye.